Hello, friends! Today, we will learn easy English at a hotel.
It is my first time visiting a hotel. Ooh, with my boyfriend.
Do not worry. This lesson is friendly, simple, and comfortable for everyone. Let's learn together. Do not worry. This lesson is friendly, simple, and comfortable for everyone. Let's learn together.
This is going uranium to be perfect.
I can't believe we're finally here.
Come on, let's check in. Repeat slowly. Desani Warmbaha.
Hotel.
Very good. Wow, this hotel looks beautiful.
Yes, I think we will enjoy this trip.
A reservation means you booked a room before coming.
Repeat after me. Reservation.
The lobby is very clean.
Oh. And very quiet. Welcome to our hotel.
Hello, we have a reservation. Repeat with me. We have a reservation. Can I see your ID, please? Of course. ID means identification. Repeat slowly. ID. This hallway is very quiet.
Our room number is 308.
308. Repeat with me.
Room number.
Wow, the room is amazing.
The bed looks comfortable.
Yes, and look, there is a beautiful window.
Hello, can we order dinner?
Of course.
I would like pasta and orange juice. This is a polite sentence. Repeat slowly. I would like pasta. Oh, wow. The bathroom is very clean. The water is warm. Repeat after me. Warm water. I like this hotel. I always unpack my clothes first. Repeat slowly. Unpack.
Unpack. Where should I put this?
In the closet. A closet is a place for clothes. The weather is beautiful.
I like rainy nights.
This feels relaxing.
Travel. Very good.
Reservation.
Reservation.
Excellent.
Excellent. Well,
You can practice English with friends.
practice helps confidence.
Good morning, everyone. I slept very well. Repeat slowly. I slept very well. Wow. There are many foods here. I want pancakes.
I want orange juice.
Our trip is finished.
Yes.
It is time to go home. I need to pack my clothes.
Repeat after me. Pack my clothes.
When leaving a hotel, always check your room. You should not forget your things. Hello, we are checking out today.
Okay, thank you.
Check out means check, leaving the hotel. Repeat after me. Check out. Here is our key card. Thank you. You are welcome. A key card opens the hotel room.
This is your final bill. Okay, shh. Everything looks correct.
Thank you for your help.
Hi,
You are welcome.
Yes, it is a beautiful morning.
Oh. I will remember this trip.
The weather feels nice today.
The weather feels nice today.
Yes.
Good morning.
Good morning. This taxi looks comfortable. Practice English every day and speak slowly with confidence.